I just got a new gun. Make sound. Ah! Forgot there's bullets in it. Yes, they don't shoot out there. They shoot out here. See this button? Click that. This comes undone. And as you saw, there's little bullets. And then you can put them back in. And I said they make sounds. Comes with 2 of them. And there's this that you can put on a belt or your pants. So it can hold it. That can go in there. And so can the gun. Bye.